Intense, fast tone, stop. You just spent 15 minutes jumping between email, Slack, and your task list. Context switching is the silent thief stealing up to 40% of your daily productivity. You can't enter a state of deep work because your brain is constantly anticipating the next notification. It's not your fault. It's a problem with your daily workflow structure. What if I showed you how to create bulletproof deep work blocks in Notion? These blocks physically block distractions. We'll set up a context-based planning system. This system uses 3 layers of protection. This is the step-by-step, complete tutorial that will permanently eliminate context switching costs. It allows you to get 4 hours of work done in what used to take an entire day. Let's dive in. Before we build the solution, we must understand the enemy. Context switching isn't just inefficient, it's mentally draining. Every time you shift from one task to another, your brain pays a hidden switching cost. It takes time to reload all the information. Imagine opening 100 tabs in your browser. Your computer slows down, right? Your brain does the same. This isn't multitasking, it's rapidly failed task switching. This leads to shallow work and increased errors. It also results in the inability to enter the flow state. That magical zone where your best work happens, we need to cut this out. Our goal is to create designated zones in your workday. In these zones, your brain knows exactly what to focus on. This eliminates the internal debate and external distractions. The core of this system is block planning. Forget endless to-do lists. We assign specific types of work to dedicated time blocks. This method forces focus, reduces decision fatigue, and sets clear boundaries. When it's deep work time, that's all you do. But we're going beyond basic blocks. We're creating context-aware blocks. Here, the type of task, mental energy, and tools needed are all predetermined. Think of it as creating mini environments for your brain. When you step into your writing block, your brain already knows the tools and the goal. It also knows the exclusion of all other tasks. This proactive scheduling dramatically reduces the mental load. It allows for immediate, high-quality output. Let's set this up in Notion. Open your main Notion tasks and projects database. We need to add a crucial property, context type. Set this property to a multi-select or select type. Your options will be deep work, admin, communication, planning, learning, creative. Next, create a new property called energy level. Use the options high focus, medium, low. This helps you match tasks to your energy. Now for the magic. Create separate linked views of your main database for each context type. For example, a view named Deep Work Block. Apply the filters. For your Deep Work Block view, the filter should be Context Type contains Deep Work, and Status is To Do, and Priority is High Medium. Repeat this for Admin Block, Communication Block, etc. You'll have dedicated views for each type of work. Position these views strategically on your main dashboard or calendar. This is your command center for focused work. Every morning, first use your 2-minute sweep block from our previous video to clear microtasks. This is your warm-up. Then, open your daily calendar or block schedule. When your calendar says Deep Work Project X, you go directly to your Deep Work block in Notion. The beauty? Your Notion view only shows you relevant tasks. There's no scrolling through irrelevant items. Your brain immediately knows what to do. For your communication block, you know it's time for emails and Slack. You clear that block, then close those apps. No lingering. This method creates strict digital boundaries. Your tools and tasks are perfectly aligned with your schedule. This forces unparalleled focus. Advanced Tip 1. Time boxing. Assign specific durations to tasks within your blocks. E.g., Deep Work, Project Y, 60 mins. Advanced Tip 2. Buffer blocks. Schedule 15-minute buffers between major blocks to reset, grab water, or briefly check non-urgent messages. This system isn't just about managing tasks, it's about managing your attention. You're teaching your brain to be present and efficient. By mastering context switching, you unlock true productivity and regain hours in your day. Start building your Notion Deep Work Sanctuary today. If this Notion system helps you master deep work, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more block-by-block strategies. Drop a comment below with your favorite deep work tip. Thanks for watching this complete system breakdown.